Friend, I am Ajit. Today I am going to discuss one more CVS problem, that is cardiovascular problem disease, that is palpitation. So there is a definition is there. I refer this definition from Google only. So there is a definition that is this represent a an increased awareness of normal heartbeat, or you can say this is a sensation of slow or rapid, or you can say that is irregular heart rhythm. Irregular heart rhythm, nothing but arrhythmia. Arrhythmia means irregular heart rhythm. The heart rhythm may be that irregular heartbeat due to the bradycardia or tachycardia also. And one more important point, that is you should remember that palpitation is does not means there is a heart disease. There is another social problems or psychiatric disease also related, or some drug also causes palpitation. So we should not consider there is a palpitation means heart disease. So coming to the etiology. Etiology I have mentioned here briefly all portion, that etiology. First, extra cardiac causes means other than cardiac causes due to the anemia. Anemia means decreased hemoglobin level in body. So if less hemoglobin, that is a hemoglobin is mainly used to carry the oxygenated blood. So due to the anemia also causes, that is high palpitation, hypovolemia, decreased blood volume in your body, that also means causes palpitation. And one more important thing, that is cardiac causes. What are the cardiac causes that cause palpitation? Arrhythmia. Arrhythmia means tachycardia or bradycardia. Arrhythmia means irregular heart rhythm, that may be tachycardia or bradycardia. And AV block. AV block also leads to cardiac disease. That also one more important for the that also causes palpitation. And number 3, that is psychiatric causes, anxiety disorder, panic disorder, that also mainly, and social fear also, that it leads to cause of palpitation. And important thing, some drugs and diet also causes palpitation. Beta agonist, thiophyllene, that is mainly used for bronchodilator, that causes palpitation. And one more important thing, that is salbutamol, that is mainly used in asthmatic patient, that also causes palpitation. And alcohol and tobacco also causes palpitation. And methylxanthine, this drug is come under group of, theophylline is come under group of methylxanthine group drug, that is theophylline. And we'll go discuss about that pathophysiology in briefly. Mainly our motive to focus on the treatment portion. So there is a pathophysiology. Augmentation of heart contractility. Due to heart contractility, there may be cause of palpitation. And arrhythmias. Arrhythmia also cause of palpitation. Arrhythmia means irregular heart rhythm. That may be if the heart rhythm more than 100 beats per minute. Arrhythmia may be bradycardia or tachycardia. Bradycardia or TC means tachycardia. If the heart rhythm less than less than 60 beats per minute. If heart rhythm less than 60 beats per minute, that cause bradycardia. Brady means slow, cardia means cardiac beats. And tachycardia due to the more than, if the heartbeat are more than 100 beats per minute, that leads to cause of tachycardia. Trachy means fast. So this is the bradycardia and tachycardia. And cardiac urinosis also cause of palpitation. My main intention to focus on the treatment portion. So what kind of treatment we have to give in this patient with palpitation? So there is a primary treatment we have to give, that is we can give a tablet Aptivan, that is 1 milligram. BD means Bisindai, PC means post SIBAP. After taking the food, you can take the drug, that is Aptivam, that is 1 milligram tablet, is a prescription medicine used for the mainly anxiety disorder, such as generalized anxiety disorder. And also we can this drug use in case of OCD, means obsessive compulsive disorder also, and panic disorder and social phobia. And this drug also used in social phobia also, and it is also used for the short term relief of symptom of anxiety. So we can give this drug. And one more drug, that is alprazolam. There is a dose is too much important. 0.25 milligram tablet is there. That tablet we have to give the patient with palpitation. Alprazolam mainly used to treat anxiety disorder and panic disorder. And alprazolam is in a class of medication called benzodiazepine, and it works by decreasing abnormal excitement of the brain. That is the alprazolam. The dose is 0.25 milligram BDPC. And Ciplar also used for treatment of palpitation. Ciplar, there is a two important things is there, that is Cipla company is there. So this drug is a branded drug. So there is Cipla, Cipla. That is they want to highlight their company name also. So there is one drug, that is Ciplar 10 milligram tablet OD, means once in day, PC after taking food you can take the drug. And that is mainly used for treatment of hypertensive drug, mainly used for the angina pectoris and hypertrophic condition also. And it also prevent the migraine headache. Due to the migraine headache, this Ciplar also used for the treatment of migraine. So one more important thing, that is Cipla is a brand, one company is there. That company is want to promote their company name, so they are using the drug name Ciplar, Cipla. That is a company name. And as they mentioned, as I told, they want to highlight their company name. So come to the third drug, that is Shantavini, 2 teaspoonful. After seeing that two teaspoonful, we can come to know there is a liquid dosage form. So how much this drug we have to give to patient with palpitation? It helps to prevent fatigue. Fatigue means extreme tiredness. It also prevent stress and weakness. So this drug we can use in case of palpitation patient. And one more important thing, that is it also improves physical performance and improves body's resistance to infection also. And there is a one more drug, that is Otrin. Otrin mainly used for the if the patient is a anemic condition. If the patient is a anemic condition, that time we should treat with the Atrin. And Atrin belongs to the class of medication that is called hematinic, primarily used to treat of anemia. Anemia means lack of blood. Due to lack of blood, we can use for Atrin. So Atrin we can use in case of, if you see the patient faces became a fail, that time we can use atropine. And after doing biological investigation, you came to know if the patient is a serious due to the loss of blood deficiency, or due to that cause of anemia. So you can prescribe this medication Otrin, and you have to continue 2 months. And one more, that is advice to patient. You have to give advice to patient, that is you can say that it's a counseling of the patient. If the patient is alcoholic or smoking, you should ask the patient to stop this alcohol and smoking. And if sometime tea and coffee also causes of, it also increase the heart rate, that is commanded tachycardia more than 100 beats per minute. So we can suggest to patient to avoid that tea and coffee. And one more important thing, that is asthmatic drug, that is salbutamol. We are using in this drug in case of asthma patient. So if you see, there is a salbutamol induced palpitation, so we have to advise the patient to stop to taking the salbutamol, which is causes of asthmatic, means which leads to cause of palpitation. So thank you watching these videos.